Hi, my name is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We had picked up this rug about a week and a half ago, and we're now returning it to the faithful owners of this rug here. Um, the client is here with me, and I wanted to touch base on the services. So when we picked up the rug, we did measurements, we inspected it, we told you about delivery time and things of that nature. Now that we return the rug to you, how do you perceive the rug, and how does it look?
The rug is really brightened up. It's about 3 years old and it's had some good wear and tear. We've got two small dogs that have managed to use it for a potty a couple of times, and it's all cleaned up now. It looks great. They're very helpful about laying it out on a new pad we got, and just couldn't be happier.
Absolutely. Well, sir, I really appreciate those words. It means a lot to us. Put a lot of pride in this. So, would you recommend us to your friends, family, and coworkers, things of that nature?
Indeed, I would.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for this feedback. Definitely appreciate it. It helps us grow and helps people know exactly what we do here at Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Thank you much.
All righty.
All right.